What's up, guys, and welcome back to Umbrella Dad Gaming. We are back with more Resident Evil 4. We just took down Verdugo and got destroyed. I would say we only got destroyed once, but we almost lost multiple times. Uh, and now we're just gonna keep making our way to getting Ashley back. We just met up with Louise, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a big fight coming up, but I can't remember. So, let's get into it. Alright, we are down in the mines. Not the yours.
Hard for me to put my faith in someone who used to work for Umbrella.
So you heard, huh? And that's done for. You don't need to.
Let's see if I can craft anything. A flash? I would absolutely will.
Worry about them anymore.
You didn't answer my question. What are you after?
I just want to feel good about myself. Make amends. Or something like that.
Or something like that. So apparently you can buy a rocket launcher and just shoot through this, and I wish I had money and I would totally do that, but I don't, so I won't. So let's go find some dynamite. Can he see me from here? I'm scouting. Oh, I definitely got him. That was awesome. Do they know I'm here now? Oh, snap.
Looks like we've got company. What do you want to do?
Well, I just killed 2 of them, so I want you to do something helpful. How many can I shoot before I jump down? There's another one. Let's shoot that down because I'll forget about it. Anybody over here that I can see? No. Is that someone? No. Oh, my nose itches. Alright. I think that's it. I think we're gonna have to just go for him now. Let me just double check with my excellent vision, obviously. Man, I really don't want to jump that. Okay, I can't even move, so what am I supposed to do? Holy shit. Oh, well, that didn't go well. I'm already dead. Well, I feel like the further into this game, it's not that it's getting harder, I'm just getting significantly worse the more I play. Let's try again. Is he dead or no? Well, that sucked. Well, now he's shot.
What do you want to do?
It would help if I could just land one of these sniper shots before, like, right in their head, before they actually come after me. Alright, there's one more here that I legitimately cannot see at all. Unless I can hit this. No, I don't think I can hit that. Alright, well, I'm not gonna keep wasting shots. Is the chainsaw guy coming? Move, Luis! You idiot. Okay. I have no healing too. That sucks. Now I do. Yeah, whatever you say, bud. Alright. Let's get this. Good job, Luis. Keep fighting him, so I don't have to. Alright, so we got 2 of these now. Let's do that. Let's go this way. And around here. Shoot that down. Grab it. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Luis. Bro. Luis, you killed me. What the shit, bro? Alright, well. I guess I get a chance to be better at shooting this time. It won't happen. No, 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 no. You're not going anywhere. Seriously? There's that one. Alright, and there's that one. Pick up the herb. Leon, pick up the herb. Okay. Got that. Boom. 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 Okay. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, I got that, Leon. Thanks. I forgot I couldn't go in there. Alright. Is there another one? I don't think there's another one. This isn't the mercenaries. We can't have 3 chainsaw people here. What the fuck, Luis? Stop shooting people with fucking dynamite when they're standing next to me. God, that's starting to piss me off when he does that. Alright, I don't want to deal with you anymore, Luis. I'm just going to leave you behind. Boom. Cool. Cool.
I bet I could use this.
Dynamite, huh? Nice find, my friend.
Yeah. Should make quick work of that dead end.
Alright, do I have a green herb and a red herb? Sweet. Cool. Alright, let's get the hell out of here and go blow up some dynamite, I guess. Man, oh man, how's everybody doing today? I just want to thank all of you for being here. I also have a Twitter. I generally link it in the description if you guys want to follow me. I don't tweet a lot, but I do send out when like new episodes come out and stuff, just so that people can see it. Just to make sure everybody sees it. Run, run, run. Lewis. Don't.
Give me a heads up next time.
Well, I came running. I don't
Yourself
know
pretty well.
how much more of a heads up I could give you.
Sure you're just a researcher?
I'm just an average guy who happens to be quite the ladies' man.
Man, I really don't want to do this part. Oh no, this is not the part I thought it was. I want to do this even less. Alright, well. Here we go, I guess.
After you, I insist.
Such a gentleman.
What did Luis think this was going to do for us?
Now you owe me.
Luis, heads up! Now we're even.
Is it always like this with you?
Alright, let's see.
Two of them.
Thank you, Luis.
Keep this one to me.
Cool. Where's mine at? Oh, they're both over there. Okay, cool.
Shit, can't get through the armor. Here it goes.
Adios.
Nice. That's what I like to see.
Yeah, now I'm out of flashes, though, and that's super annoying.
This other one's not gonna be easy.
I wonder what happens if I accidentally open the latch while Luis is on it. Like, will he die? Or do I just get away with it?
Keep our friend busy for me.
Where do you think you're
Oh, shit. I didn't know he was that close to me. Nope, don't like this. Gonna have to stab you in the hand. And I have no more flashes. Can I make a flash? Oh, I can. Well, then I can do this.
present for you?
No, Luis, I don't want to do this. You just ruined my flash, Luis. I crafted it for literally nothing. That's so annoying.
Got a little present just for you. Leon, shoot it.
I can't. There we go.
Beautiful. Just as planned. All right, let's finish this guy off.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Because then I don't have to actually fight him. Into the lava pit. Does that mean I don't get any treasure, though? Because that's super unfortunate. Well, that sucks. Now I wish I hadn't done that.
I think we can get through here.
Oh, thanks, Luis, for absolutely nothing there. I was already waiting on you.
How's it look?
Looks like a door, I think. Did I miss anything in this room? No.
It's open.
No. Now it's open.
Well, that was
Look at how tiny this pallet jack is. I don't know. It seems really small. As someone who works with pallet jacks basically every day at their job, that seems
discovered. Las Palmas,
abnormally tiny.
Preserved inside ancient deposits of amber.
Of course they did.
Let's use that. Can I craft anything? Some more handgun, I guess. Hey, I got the bonus. Oh shit, now I have a bunch of handgun, which I guess is good. I don't remember if the minecart makes you use your own ammo or not. Well, here we
I'm
are.
not suggesting we ride this thing.
You know what we do before minecart? We save sometimes twice.
Other way? Give us a push, Sancho.
I don't like when he calls me Sancho.
There, it's moving. This should speed things up a bit.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Hey, we're in a hurry, right?
I like how slow
By
it
the way,
moves.
What now?
Hope you like thrill rides. We're going off the rails! Lean! Shit! This thing's gonna flip! The enemy
No, it's not. Shut up.
something about those parts! Oh yeah! Switch tracks! If we don't, we're gonna crash!
Bow, bow, bow.
Hey, the cart's tipping over!
Well, do you want me to shoot people, or do you want me to... Shoot better, Leon.
Not looking so good. I hope the cart holds up. Up ahead, this thing's in bad shape.
Stop.
Better care of it, okay?
Oh, no, not that way.
Left turn! We're going off the rails! Get
Oh, I'm leaning the wrong way because I'm stupid.
Hey, the cart's tipping over!
I'm leaning the wrong way again. All right, we can make it. All right, we can make it. I don't know if this minecart's easier or harder than the last one. Like, really, I just don't. Hey, we made it. With our minecart still alive somehow.
This it?
Afraid not. Things are just getting started.
Ugh. That sniper just randomly appeared on my back. Ah! Got him. Another flogging. Alright, let's just do 2 of these blue ones, because I have 9 of them, apparently. I mean, they're sapphires. I know what they're called. I don't know why I said these blue ones. Me so smart. Let's just use it, too. Alright. On to the next crappy adventure. Get in, Luis.
All right, let's go.
Let's do better this time.
Not this again.
Not almost die. I'm like really leaning forward. I'm either into it today or I am like doing that poorly that I need to sit that close. Ooh, doggy. Oh yeah, so I forgot. Last night went to the Mario movie. It was pretty good. Nothing crazy. But it was definitely good. Alright, I'm just not gonna hit them. Alright, well, that was fun.
This is kind of fun. Forwards!
Ooh!
Shit, this thing's gonna flip.
I barely made that. Okay, asshat. Yeah, I'm aware. What am I didn't even get the chance. Okay. Can I use a different gun? This is one of those times where I wish I was on keyboard and mouse, because I could just point and click. Oh no. I did not know that I could just shoot them like that. Holy shit.
Hey, the cart's tipping over!
Hey, Luis, I'm doing what I can, bro.
Look! You can see where they dug up the bugs!
Our cart is jacked.
Ahead!
You're kidding. Hit the brake! What? Are you serious? Jump!
Yeah. Go, go, Power Rangers.
Can I get a hand? Give us a 3-2-1 next time, eh, Sancho?
Whatever.
All right.
Oh, man. But actually, this works. Oh, yeah. Let's get on that lift.
Let's not. All right, guys. I think we're going to cut it off here for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, all that other stuff. I'm just appreciative for you guys being here at all, though. So, in saying that, I will hopefully see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.